table for one? One of the most common things people ask me is, aren't you scared to walk around the cities without your partner? For decades in my life, I had no idea how to answer this. First, it's gaslighting. Next, how I choose to travel is no one's business, and strangers have no idea about my personal life, nor will they ever be privy to that information, hence the word stranger. Cities, people, races, we're all the same. Developed countries, struggling countries, and countries in between. There's really just three things that tie us all together. Love, to fill that loneliness that sits deep inside us all. The journey for happiness, and the quest for purpose. I think the Dalai Lama put it best when he said people are made to be loved and things to be used. The world is in turmoil because all is opposite. In every city, there's places that are more and less safe. And usually everywhere I travel, I see both sides, sometimes unintentionally, as I'm known to take a left turn in Albuquerque all too often. As we view this footage from Athens, look through the unknown. Try to connect and understand to what these people are doing. Are they lonely? Are they looking for happiness? What is their purpose? As I walk the streets of Athens, I try to leave a positive impression. I'm merely just a leaf in the wind, but I hope that my floating through this world will help someone connect with a new checkpoint in their own quest. Thanks for joining me on this adventure for Athens today. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if it meant something to you. Bye!